I want you to take a look at these beautiful geraniums that I'm surrounded by. They happen to be one of the most popular flowers in the whole world, and fortunately for us gardeners, it's one of the easiest to propagate, or we can make clones of this flower. A geranium is easy to propagate. What you do is take a few cuttings from a mother plant, which is the original plant. I like to cut right beneath a node. A node is where leaves sprout from. Remove all the lower leaves from your geranium stalk. It should be about 4 to 5 inches tall. The next step is to take your stem cutting and dip it in rooting hormone. Make sure to tap some off. You don't want to overload it. Then dip it into a pot that has pre-moistened lightweight soil. Spray lightly again with water. Go ahead and cover your cuttings with a plastic bag so that it can act as a greenhouse. Place your pots in an area that does receive some light but not direct sunlight. Check it periodically and mist it so that it will remain moist. In a few weeks, go to your makeshift greenhouse and tug at your geranium gently. If it gives you a little resistance, that means that roots have formed. Congratulations, you just created another plant.